Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Device Connection right away. Then choose Connection Preferences. Click on Printing after scrolling all the way down and choose Default Print Service. Finally, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, just disable this one first, thanks to this switcher. Go back. Click on Add Service under the default one, and then install the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same printing settings, and last but not least, tap on your new service. Then to wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!